EPC contractor to ensure. Okay. So security point of view, and I think all the wells are under the CISPA, so there is no concern. And we are saying that SSC induction to all construction people will be done, and they should know what is do's and don'ts. And CISPA pass is there, so no concern. Fencing. So as I understood that all the wells are individual fenced well, so there is no separate barricades required. Barricades required for the wells, but for safe barricade in terms of barricading tape is required to prevent damage to the other equipment and facility in the wellhead area. So that will be the same, and no major concern. Site infrastructure, hole and pits. So we are saying no major excavation is anticipated. Noman, any idea what is the depth of the excavation?
Sir, here for demolition you can add fence also, because there will be some modification in the fence.
Okay, here you're saying?
Demolition, yes.
Pipe, okay, demolition of existing piping installation and demolition of pipe. Fence will be
Pipe
also
and
demolished.
fence, you can mention pipe and fence.
Pipe and fence. Very good. Very good. Yeah.
Maybe correct. Some part of excavation required for this installation of new fencing.
Okay, so that's okay. That's okay. Demolition we are working. And we have taken this recommendation that demolished material has to be disposed of as per the approved waste management plan to through the approved vendor. We are okay. In terms of security point of view, as we understood that this is the existing CESPA control facility, and no security procedure will be implemented, and people will be controlled so that there is no major concern in terms of security. Fencing, as we agreed that this is the individual wells and there is no need for separate fencing or barricade, but temporary barricade is required just to prevent damage to the other associated facility of wellhead. So that is the standard practice.